This is a shortcut to the top of this mountain. Let me just walk. I usually won't take this way. It is full of rocks. See? This is beautiful. From there, from here I can't go up. This one is very slippery. I like this place. There will be this path, a bit spooky, but nice. I can just stand and look at these rocks. Yeah. I usually forget my water. Only when I go up, I will be thinking about it. Of course, I can't buy water. This is where I took a long photo few days ago. As my patron said, I want it. Yeah. I am a Lokian. Loki is my patron. This is a good place. You can sit. This place you can sit or just stand and watch. Anyway, I am going this side. That is the main road, and there is this temple at the top of the mountain. Yeah. People don't use this way to go up. Children play. Dogs used to wander here. This one is a bit slippery. This one is easy. Let me take the hard one. Okay. Because I used to go up only taking this way. Yeah. People come at night and party here. I wonder why they burn the tree. One day I I saw a man going up through this path. Then I found this. This is where I started. Anyway, where I stood, nothing can be visible from here. That's all for today.